this one. So I will be this one, then I will be this one.
Okay.
Nice toy. Who made this?
He doesn't know how to aim it yet. He doesn't know how to direct the bazooka gun, my son. Matthew, it's okay. You can press the button, but don't shoot me, okay? No, don't shoot me like that, boy. Wearing a mask now is gonna be the outer space of our planet. One more time, boy. The car should be in the front. More faster to roll the wheels on the slide. Right now, slide it because it's better when you slide it. Slide. There's any news? So I'm having a hard time scheduling this video with my son. Sorry, sir. Yes, I am. Who's in the back? SpongeBob. Bob. Okay. Everything, boy.
I can do this.
Okay?
This next car.
You're supposed to slide.
Oh! How about this SpongeBob? It's a SpongeBob. Wee! Wow! Wee!
What is doing? He just woke up 3 o'clock in the morning. Hey! Thing fell over, boy. Go and start over again. Oh, how did you do that? You're shaking it so fast. Go ahead. Let's do it. Hey. He's doing it. Mark, you do not use the U-turn, okay? Oops. Mark, please, this one is a different... What's going on, guys?
Work.
project, okay? Matthew, please.
Oh, let me press the button. Let me press the button. Yeah.